Hello guys, review smartphone Huawei P20. Start unpacking. Open box. Look completion. Device in the black color. Look him later. And now look completion. In completion here we have key for SIM slot, protected film, guarantee papers, and quick guide, and this protected back cover. USB Type-C cable, headphones, adapter for charging, and we have adapter USB Type-C for 3.5 jack for headphones. Okay, good completion with protected film, protected cover, headphones and adapter. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the back side and front side this glass and this metal. On the front side we have display 5.8 inch, sensor key and fingerprint scanner, front camera and talk speaker. On the left side slot, this slot for 2 nano SIM card. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside without controls. Downside we have USB Type-C port, microphone and speaker. On the back side double camera and LED. Okay. Turn on device. Open settings, look Android version. About phone. Android version 8.1.0, version UMI 8.1.0. Close this. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. Resolution display. Display PPI 428. So, CPU high silicon Kirin 970. This is 4 cores processor, octa-core processor. First 4 cores work 2.4 GHz, second 4 cores work 1.8 GHz. GPU Mali G72. RAM memory 4 GB, Intel memory 128 GB. Okay, look results. CPU speed results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Close this, open next test, Antutu benchmark, Antutu test results, look ranking, ranking load. One moment please. Device support 10 touches, very good. Okay, close this, open next test, game test, GTA San Andreas, hard game, max graphic level, and start game. Game load. Works good, without lags and glitches, on the max graphic level, without problem. gameplay. Okay, close this game and open camera. Front camera 24 megapixels, main camera 20 plus 12 megapixels double camera, and now I show you photos on this camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.